Hello there. This is a follow-up on the previous project I started in SolidWorks, the flat pack chair. So I used SolidWorks as a template to make the layout for my plywood chair to be cut. And as you can see here, it's being CNC'd and cut out. Now this is not the best chair I could have made, nor the most functional, but it does a job, and I'll talk you through it. So the chair has mainly three parts: the left and right side panels, and the seat itself. And when making those things, a lot of things went wrong. For starters, the glue wouldn't dry for the seat when I was aligning the two panels together. The panel slots were too small. The wood itself had some changes and defects that didn't allow it to go in the slot. Given all the issues, it's why this video took so long to publish. Now I'll catch up with you when the CNCing is done. Alright, here you can see the side panel, and you can see that triangle shape cutout is for the seat, and you can see those slots as they are. You can see that the bottom piece of wood has some more support there, so because that cut there was a bit weak, so did that. Then I had this panel that for some reason would not glue together with another panel, so I had to screw in these screws into both pieces of wood to line them up and hopefully hold them square till the glue dried. Now you can see the channels on the side are where the seat goes through the plywood that I showed previously and then slots into those gaps that are there. There you can see the two panels. There, you can see they're for each side of the seat. And you can see the seats there. If you zoom into the seat a bit more, you can see all the screws. Now the screw holes, all the screws themselves, are cut with an angle grinder, so they're flat now. And there you can see the joint that holds the two plywood pieces together. Now you can see from the side there that the seat slots into those gaps. Here's it in better lighting. Joined together by wood screws, and you can see that the wood slots, it goes down a bit because the slot itself takes up material, so it pushes the seat down, so it locks it in place, so you don't have to worry about like moving backwards and forwards, and you won't worry about falling out of your seat. Now I did sit on this and it was very wobbly, but it does the job that I want it for, which was to make a simple seat with some form of a backrest. Tried to get this project done as quick as possible, and so in the process I did make some mistakes, and I would have recorded it better if I maybe took a bit more time and care in it. But nonetheless, the chair is done. Just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.